Stop begging the universe. Start commanding it. This book reveals a simple, brutal, and beautiful truth. You are not creating your future, and you are remembering it. The moment a desire sparks within you, its fulfillment is already a finished event in the quantum field. Your only task is to shift your consciousness to the timeline where it is already done. Within these pages, you will learn the Memory Implant Technique, a precise protocol to install the memory of your success so deeply that your current reality has no choice but to align. This is not about positive thinking. This is about accessing a higher law of physics. Why wait a lifetime for what is already yours? The life you want is not a distant dream. It is a past event you have simply forgotten. Your only job is to remember. It is already done. There is only now, and now is already a memory. Make your memories golden. Order this powerful manifesting journal today and share with all you love.